In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your MSN email password. To begin, open the browser where you're signed in with your MSN or Microsoft account, as both refer to the same account. Navigate to the website account.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and then select My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your account homepage. From here, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left-hand corner to open the main menu. Select the second option, which is Your Info. Scroll down until you reach the Account Info section and then click on Sign In Preferences. Here you will see your current primary email address. If you are looking to change your email, the first step is to add a new one. Click on the Add Email option. You'll have the choice to either add an existing email or create a new one. Once you enter the new email, click Add Alias. The newly added email will appear in your list of sign-in options. If you want to make the new email your primary one, click on Make Primary beside it, then confirm by clicking Yes. Once this is done, your new email will become your primary address. To remove the previous email, simply click Remove beside it and confirm the deletion. This way, your MSN email address will be updated to the new one. Now, to change your password, return to your Microsoft account homepage by clicking on Microsoft Account at the top left. On the homepage, you'll see an option labeled Change Password at the upper right-hand side. Click on it. You'll now be prompted to enter your current password and your new password twice. After filling in all the fields, click Save. You'll be signed out to complete the change. Re-enter your email and the new password to sign in again. And that's how you can change your MSN email password.